Energy Radio.
Speaking of the Kenyan music industry, all of a hullabaloo from one Erica Mondi, and people have been commenting on this issue, him being arrested even today earlier on.
Was he really arrested?
Was he really arrested? That's the question. And apparently he has been released, quotes and quotes.
How fast?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I know, like an hour ago, released him on up or use highlights. Kidogo. He says that we have dropped the ball. Not only radio presenters, but DJs, musicians, wote in the art scene. Tuna allow foreign music ichezwe sana. Tumewacha kutengeneza content nzuri.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about that?
I want the cameras on me when I'm saying this.
What way?
We had two perspectives. I was discussing with someone about this. Nairobi is a very metropolitan city.
That's true.
Kuna aina watu wengi zaidi. Hapa tuko na Kenyans, Nigerians, people from Asia.
All walks of life.
White people live here and speak Swahili.
Yeah.
We are very metropolitan people. We have that culture. We're very accepting. So that is the one thing that makes other industries grow in our city.
Right.
Amapiano itakuja, itagrow.
Yeah.
Ogao, itagrow.
Yeah.
Bongo, itagrow.
Itagrow.
Because we're very metropolitan. We're accepting. And that's why even other industries can invest here.
Yeah.
Business-wise, it makes sense. But then now the problem is, hatujapata ile balance. But what Eric is saying, for me, I'm not going to take what Eric is saying. I won't lie. Bunch of hogwash. Because there's a way you can say it and say it right. Yes, I said it. Bunch of hogwash.
Hey, let me
Kenya amesema hata niseme na Kiswahili umbwakni.
You know? It's utter mediocrity to go insulting people to send you a message. Well, yet you yourself have dropped the ball. Have you overdone all the Kenyan girls to do wife material that you have to go outside? Which is good. We're all about Pan-Africanism.
Yes.
But you want to speak when we're seeing you, even the comic songs you do are for Diamond and not Kenyans.
I love that. The fact that if we were to turn the tables and really go nitty gritty, kama venye yeye pia anafanya, tutapata makosa.
Ukweli ni kuna kazi nyingi ambazo twafanya.
Yeah.
Na watu wasidanganyane. Mwalimu Rachel na Exclusive do it all the time. I hear you guys play Kenyan music and
Thank
you promote
you.
even upcoming artists. There's a
Kate.
slot for
Friday.
Hit or Miss. Is it Hit or Miss? Yeah.
It's actually Energy
Fun
Fun Fave Discovery.
Yes.
Where we discover new
And then
artists every Friday.
And you play them out and people
Absolutely.
choose. You
Absolutely.
cannot tell us that we are not working hard to do that. It is not the problem of the artist. Sasa tumetupia gava kama mnasikiza kule parliament. Bana kazi ni kwenyu sisi. We've done our job.
We are doing our jobs
Yes.
on a daily. Asante sana Kate. Hey!
Wewe pewa kwenye unapewa smart tunalipa.